Welcome back to our channel. Please click on join button for getting more interesting news about Yaman and his upcoming series. And also do subscribe for getting more notifications. Yaman eating macarons with Francesca chillemi. They don't have a dinner or breakfast together. It's the scene from the series Viola Come Il Mare. They both have too much interesting romantic story created in Italian cinema. The Turkish star is happy after the good feedback coming from a long time in Canal 5, Italy. They both chemistry and the interesting story is now recreating the expectation, the hope for the fans. It's been a long time after the fans waited, and now they are really happy that their wait will pay them back with a great John series.